Do you have trouble getting up in the morning? Do you turn your alarm off, go back to bed, and end up missing your class? Well, with Sensa, the pressure sensor alarm clock, you'll never have to worry about that again. Sensa uses a pressure sensor, which is located under your mattress, and detects when someone is on the bed, which will then make the alarm turn on. The pressure sensor is connected to an alarm clock, which controls the start and end times of your alarm. Since you don't want the alarm to start up every single time you put pressure on your bed, there will be an alarm off button, so after a certain time, you can sit freely on your bed. Sensa is now helping people everywhere get out of bed and make it to where they have to be on time.
Thanks, Sensa. Now I can actually make it class on time.